friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby. So in today's video I'll be showing you another product by Navina Foods, and this is it right here. It says all-in-one egusi soup ingredients mix. So this is different from, it's the same product but it's slightly different because the one I showed you in my previous video, all the ingredients have been packed individually in the box, but this one they mixed for you already, so it's perfect for people that don't like to cook or don't know how to cook. It's also available in ogbono and bitter leaf, so perfect. You travel, you enjoy Nigeria soup wherever you go to. It says on the pack it takes 15 minutes to cook, so that is a plus. Like, it's very fast, it's very convenient. You come back from work, you're exhausted, you want to eat sharp. Like, your soup is going to be ready in less than 15 minutes. Honestly, if you're going to be using like beef and chicken with this, just make sure you don't season it too much, because this already has a great amount of seasoning. Like, the seasoning is perfect, so you don't have to season it too much. I used shaki, pomo and beef in mine, and I only used 1 cube of seasoning for mine to boil mine, so that's it. And I used the beef stock to make it. You can either use your beef stock or you can use water to make it. Very advisable to use like smoked turkey or smoked chicken, because it's already seasoned already, so that's perfect. You don't need to add anything to it. Just boil that a little bit to soften a little bit, add your egusi mix in it, and that's it. So I'll leave Navina Foods information in the description box. Don't forget to check them out, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and I'll see you in another video. Bye. So this is what the box looks like. It cooks in 15 minutes, and at the back it has the instructions on how to cook it, and this is for 4 servings. So first I opened it. This is the palm oil and the egusi soup premix. The first thing I did was to open the premix into a bowl. I placed that aside, then put my pot on my stove. Then I added my palm oil to the pot, allowed it to heat up for a little bit, then added the egusi soup premix into it. I stirred it for a couple of minutes, maybe about a minute. Then I added my beef stock into it, and this beef stock, like I said in my intro, I didn't really season it too much. I only used 1 cube of seasoning, and that was it. And I added my beef, my pomo and my shaki into it. I covered it, allowed it to boil, and it was ready. I enjoyed it with hot there, but it was so good. Even my mom enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Navina Foods, subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.
A few moments later.